Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to clear iPhone RAM memory on iOS 14. I'm going to show you guys 3 different methods. We'll start off with the oldest one. It's very, very easy, but it might be a little bit of a pain for some people. But all you have to do simply is go over to settings and open that up. Once you're in settings here, you want to scroll down until you see accessibility. Once you see accessibility, click on it. Then you want to go to where it says physical and motor and click on the touch. And then you just want to make sure that you have assistive touch on right here. So just go ahead and click on assistive touch, make sure it's turned on. And then what you guys want to do is you guys want to come back to your main screen here and you want to click on the volume up button, then the volume down button, and kind of hold on their power button for a couple seconds. So this is going to be for the phones that do not have a home button. So all you have to do is click on the volume up, volume down, and then hold on the power button. It will then bring you to the slide power off screen. All you want to do now is go ahead and click on the assistive touch and then hold on the home button. And of course, if you have a password, it's going to ask you for it. And then once you come back into here, you have successfully cleared your iPhone RAM memory. Now, the second one is a little bit easier. You have to download an application from the App Store, so we'll go ahead and do that. Now, the application that we want to download is called CPUX. So we're just going to go over to our App Store and open that up. And just search for CPUX here. And it's just this top one right here. So you just want to click on Get on that and go ahead and download it. And once it's downloaded here, you can just click on it to open it up. And then you will see all your information here, your device, processor, memory, display, and all that kind of stuff. Now, obviously, what we want to click on for this video is memory. And then it will show us here what we have free, our capacity and stuff like that. Simply to free this up, all you have to do is click on the free up on the top and it will say optimizing memory. So we're just going to give this a couple seconds and then it will show you guys that it frees up the memory. As you guys can see, even right now, it is dropping as we speak. So we'll just give this a couple seconds to finish up. And then when it's done, it says it successfully freed up 684 megabytes, which is awesome. So just click on OK. And we can exit out of here. So that's this application. I really like this one. It's actually quite easy. But my favorite one is the next application I'm going to show you guys. It's called Usage. So if we just go over to the App Store again and open up the App Store, we're just going to search for Usage. And then this is the application we want on the top right here. So we're just going to click on that and get downloaded. Once it's done, we can exit out and open it up. And once this application is downloaded, we can click on it to open it up. And you guys see right here that this monitors all of our RAM memory, which makes it very, very easy for us to keep track of what's going on our phones. Now, to free up the RAM memory with this application, it's actually the easiest. This is the favorite one I have. So all you have to do is go over to your camera and open it up. So just find your camera and open up your camera. And once you open up your camera, you can exit out of here and go back to the application. And you should see right where it says free, that is going to start to free up all of our memory. As you guys see, it did do that change right there. And boom, it free up all that space just by opening up and closing up the camera. So with this application, whenever you want to clear up your RAM memory, all you have to do is open it up and then open up your camera, close your camera, and you will see it will then free up your RAM memory on your iPhones. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you out with showing you guys a couple different methods to clear your iPhone's RAM memory. If this video did help you, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.